Everyone, let's learn about mediastinum today. Mediastinum is the median septum of thoracic cavity between two pleural cavities covered by mediastinal pleura on either side. It consists of all viscera and structures like heart and its great blood vessels, esophagus, trachea, principal bronchi, and mediastinal lymph node. The boundaries of mediastinum: anteriorly by the sternum, posteriorly by the vertebral column, superiorly by the superior thoracic aperture, inferiorly by the diaphragm, on each side by the mediastinal pleura. Division of mediastinum. Mediastinum is divided into superior and inferior mediastinum by a transverse thoracic plane between the sternal angle anteriorly and the lower border of T4 posteriorly. This is the superior mediastinum, anteriorly by the sternal angle, posteriorly to the T4 vertebra. The inferior mediastinum is further subdivided into anterior mediastinum, middle mediastinum, and posterior mediastinum by the pericardium enclosing the heart. Anterior to the pericardium is the anterior mediastinum, and pericardium and its content is the medial mediastinum, and behind the pericardium is the posterior mediastinum. So coming to the superior mediastinum, its boundaries are anteriorly by the manubrium sterni, posteriorly by the bodies of upper four thoracic vertebra, superiorly by the superior thoracic aperture, inferiorly by the transverse thoracic plane, which extends from sternal angle anterior to the lower border of T4 posteriorly, on each side by the mediastinal pleura. Content of the superior mediastinum includes arch of aorta, brachiocephalic artery, left common carotid and left subclavian artery, and the vein includes right brachiocephalic vein, left brachiocephalic vein, and the upper part of SVC, and phrenic nerve, vagus nerve, and recurrent laryngeal nerve, and other organs like trachea, esophagus, thoracic duct, and thymus, and muscles include sternohyoid and sternothyroid. The next is the inferior mediastinum. Inferior mediastinum is divided into anterior, middle, and posterior mediastinum. In front of pericardium is the anterior mediastinum. Pericardium and its content include middle mediastinum, and behind the pericardium is the posterior mediastinum. So boundaries of anterior mediastinum are anteriorly by the body of sternum, posteriorly by the pericardium enclosing the heart, superiorly by the superior transverse thoracic plane, inferiorly by the diaphragm, and laterally by the mediastinal pleura. The boundaries of the middle mediastinum includes anteriorly by the anterior mediastinum, posteriorly by the posterior mediastinum, superiorly by the superior mediastinum, and inferiorly by the diaphragm. The boundaries of the posterior mediastinum includes anteriorly by the pericardium and its content and tracheal bifurcation and pulmonary vessels, and posteriorly by the lower 8 thoracic vertebra, superiorly by the transverse thoracic plane, inferiorly by the diaphragm, and laterally by the mediastinal pleura. So content of the anterior mediastinum includes loose areolar tissue, lower portion of the thymus, lymph nodes, and superior and inferior sternopericardial ligament, and mediastinal branches of the internal thoracic artery. Contents of the middle mediastinum are heart and the pericardium, tracheal bifurcation, which divides into right and left bronchi, ascending aorta, pulmonary trunk, and lower part of the SVC, pulmonary veins, phrenic nerve, and the cardiac plexus, and lymph nodes like tracheobronchial lymph nodes. Contents of the posterior mediastinum are esophagus, thoracic duct, descending aorta, sympathetic trunk, azygos and hemiazygos vein, and posterior mediastinal lymph nodes. So clinical anatomy. Most common tumors in the anterior mediastinum are teratoma, thymoma, thymic cyst, thymic hyperplasia, lymphoma, and thyroid. And most common lesion in the middle mediastinum are lymphadenopathy, aneurysms, and bronchogenic cyst, pleuropericardial cyst. And most common lesion in the posterior mediastinum are neurogenic tumors, vertebral tumors, adenopathy, enteric cyst, esophageal tumors, and esophageal diverticula. Mediastinal syndrome. Any growth like tumor or cyst in the mediastinum can compress the other structures near to it and can produce clinical syndrome. For example, compression of trachea can produce dyspnea. Compression of esophagus can cause dysphagia. Compression of recurrent laryngeal nerve can cause hoarseness of voice. And erosion of bodies of thoracic vertebra can produce bony pain. And SVC obstruction can cause engorgement of vein in upper half of the body and facial flushing, etc.